Condensation killed my Sony a6000. What is up guys, JPR Tech here, and if you've been following me, you know that I've been shooting with a Sony a6000 for the past year and it's been working great. I love that little thing. Shoots amazing videos, takes awesome still. Until in one shoot the camera just went turbo.
Ralph's gone turbo?
I mean, the settings were changing by themselves. All of a sudden, when I was shooting in shutter priority mode, all of a sudden the shooting mode changed all by itself. So something was wrong with the motherboard or the chip in the camera that just made it go crazy. Another symptom that the camera had was that the shutter button was randomly stuck in the halfway position even though it wasn't. So it cancels out all the other buttons such as the menu button, the playback buttons. And these problems started right after I came home from shooting in the mountains. It was a cold night. After I get home in my nice warm room, I took out the SD card and there it goes. I noticed that the lens started building up condensation in the front element. So I quickly put the camera in the bag with humidity bags that just suck up the moisture and water and just left it overnight. Everything seemed okay after that. The camera was working fine. It just randomly from time to time just acts up and I don't know what triggers the glitches. I've tried resetting it a couple times, I changed the batteries and nothing worked. I even tried recording the mishap with my iPhone 7 Plus to see if I could catch it in camera and it just wouldn't happen. The thing would just work normally, but only during important shoots will it act up. So I decided to bite the bullet and sell it as is and get a newer body. And the options I had was either buy another a6000 or upgrade to the a6300 or just go full frame. Now in Japan there is this awesome store, Camera Kitamura, and I found a couple of good cameras that I was interested in and I decided, hey, why not go full frame? So I was looking at the old A7 and the A7 Mark II. And aside from the stabilization upgrade, in stills they are pretty compatible, but on the video side the A7 will actually be a downgrade from the a6000. So I ended up looking at the body of the A7 Mark II. Now they had three at $800 and two of them sold overnight. So I ordered one, and even though I didn't buy it just yet, I could just go order one to the local camera store and check it out to see if I like it. And in Camera Kitamura, they're really awesome because they give you great deals if you turn in an old camera, and no matter what the condition is, they will give you a good amount of money for that body if you're purchasing a body from them. So they gave me $200 for the body of the a6000 only, and I sold the Sigma 30mm f2.8 lens on eBay for $100. Add everything up and the whole cost for the a7 Mark II cost me a little over $500. And I don't know about you guys, but I think that's a steal. And the reason why it was so cheap is because it had a little scratch on the top of the camera and the screen had scratches everywhere. But here's a little tip for you, all you out there, and let's keep it quiet because I don't want it to spread so fast and then the prices on old Sony cameras to go skyrocketing up. But the secret is that out of the factory, all Sony cameras have pre-applied screen protectors on the screen, and it's so thick, it's so hard that it looks like it's part of the screen or the display, but it's not. It's just a screen protector, and usually when the screen starts getting old it develops bubbles or it starts separating, but that's not the screen, that's just a protector. So you could just safely remove that and there you go, you have a brand new screen underneath. Now just remember to quickly put another screen protector on it because yeah, the actual screen display, you don't want to break that. And that's about it. That's how you could find great deals on Sony bodies. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this update on my gear and in my channel, and hopefully with this new gear I'm able to up my game a little bit more. If you guys enjoy this, go ahead and hit a thumbs up, a like on the video, and subscribe to see how the new videos from now on will look with this new a7 Mark II. And I'm sure to make a review and compare it to the other bodies that I've had from Sony. Well, thanks again for watching. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.